Hello friends, I am Ramesh. Welcome to the Easy Classes tutorial. Today I am going to show you how we can fix a Windows keyboard not working on your laptop or PC. To do that, here is two simple steps you have to follow, and you can easily fix the issue within 2 minutes. Friends, we have to use a temporarily on-screen keyboard to fix this issue. And sorry for my English, I am little weak in English. First step, you have to right click on the start menu, and then you have to choose control panel. After select control panel, you have to head into easy of access category. Click on that, and again easy of access center you have to click. Here you can see start on-screen keyboard option. You have to double click on that. Now you can see on-screen keyboard is now appear. You can use this keyboard to follow the next step to fix the issue. Close this background. Now you have to type in the search bar, that is run, R-U-N. Here you can see run command. Click on that. Here you have to type devmgmt.mse. devmgmt.msc. Also you can use this search bar to directly search that device manager, like devic device manager. This is the option we want. You can directly search with the search bar, otherwise you can run command to heading into that device manager. Click OK. Now you can minimize this keyboard. Here you can see keyboards. In that left side arrowhead, click, and then you can see standard PS/2 keyboard. This is the keyboard software we have to update to fix this issue. To do that, right click on that and select update driver software. Here choose browse my computer, and also again let me pick. Here you can see a standard software is there that we have to update now. Then select that software and then click next. And this should not come here. Some problem is there. Windows encountered a problem installing the driver. Okay, once again we try. Right click, update driver, browse, let me pick, select the software. Friends, actually I have updated. This is showing that this is the latest software I already updated. This definitely will not come if you are facing that keyboard issue. You will get here Windows software is successfully installed, like that. After that you have to finish or close. Then most important, you have to restart the machine. You have to restart the laptop, then only you can get the keyboard is fixed. Friends, please comment below if your keyboard is working or not. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Friends, and see you.